Pakistan. About our country, Pakistan. Number 1. In which country do we live? We live in Pakistan. 2. When did Pakistan come into being? 14 of August 1947. 3. How many provinces does Pakistan have? 4 provinces. Number 4. Name the provinces of Pakistan. Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Number 5. What are the color of Pakistan flags? Green and white. Number 6. Who gave the idea of Pakistan? Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Number 7. Who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? Liaquat Ali Khan. Number 8. Which is our national game? Hockey. Which is our national flower? Jasmine. Number 10. What is the name of national animal of Pakistan? Markhor. Number 11. Name the national Pakistan bird. Chakor. Number 12. Name the national drink of Pakistan. Sugarcan. Number 13. Name the national language of Pakistan. Urdu.